Hey Kelly, this is Carolyn from Vista Higher Learning. I'm just showing you quickly where you can find the audio files for the TEM program. When you're in content, you'll want to click on activities and you'll see the activities, each section of the book with its corresponding activities down the left-hand side of the page. Each context has an audio strand, and in it you can click on the actual audio and listen to the audio. And then there are other, obviously, activities related to that particular selection, but you'll find the audio embedded in the activities page, and you can scroll by lesson up here. So hopefully that helps. You also in your resources have, you should have all of, let's see here, the textbook audio as well. So those are all located here as well. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.